Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost another surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure, walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. I become so numb, can feel you there. Become so tight, much more aware. Becoming this, all I want to do is be more like me, be less like. Can't you see that you're smarter than me? Holding too tightly, afraid to lose control. It's everything that you thought I would be is falling apart right in front of you. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I become so numb, can feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. Becoming this, all I want to do is be more like me and be less like you.